Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today's video is going to be on the oscillating blade by a company called WonderBlade. WonderBlade reached out to me and asked me if I'm interested in trying out their product. And sure, so I just received the product, so let's open up the package. Okay, so here's the package that I received from WonderBlade. Let's open it up, let's look inside. Okay, here's our package. Let's open it up. High strength oscillating 2-blade. Well, I can tell you this now, just feeling it, it feels heavy duty. Take a good look at the teeth here. So let's put this blade to work, but first let me tell you a little something. So here's my dremel tool. I've had this tool for a very long time, but I stopped using it due to the fact that the blades were cheap. They were about $16 for a blade, and it was just a waste of time because I always had to keep repurchasing blades over and over again for the silliest little things. As you can see right here, it's missing some teeth up here in the corner. Here's another one that's for drywall and wood, and it's almost bald. So for this Dremel, I was upset with their cheap quality blades. I just took the tool, closed it up, threw it in the garage, and it's been there ever since. But hopefully with the new WonderBlade, I will probably start using this tool again. So what I did was I went out and I purchased a cheap oscillating tool from probably a flea market. So I purchased this no-name brand, and I was just buying these cheap Harbor Freight blades that are basically disposable. So according to WonderBlade, their blade will outlast any blade on the market. Let's put it to the test. So here I'm matching up the Dremel blade with the WonderBlade, and the holes line up perfect. So definitely the WonderBlade will fit. Okay, let's put our WonderBlade in. Nice, perfect fit. Let's see if it fits our no-name brand. Okay. Oh, wrong Allen key. Even the Allen keys are different sizes on these tools. So there you go. We have our WonderBlade on this oscillating tool as well. And that was the problem with these Dremels. Other blades wouldn't fit on these Dremels for whatever reason. So definitely the WonderBlade is a universal blade. On their website they have a very long list of different oscillating tools, but definitely not my no-name brand, so this fits on anything. So let's grab some scrap wood and put some drywall screws on this. Okay, so we got 1, 2, and 3, along with some wood, because I was trying to get it nice and flush as well. Let's see our blade here. All the teeth are still there. Nice. I also had this one annoying screw sticking out of my table here, so I'm going to just take care of that since I'm already here. Okay, so I have it focused on the teeth right now, and if you see, all the teeth are still there, and I was just using this only about 1/4 of an inch of the blade the whole time. So for the next test, let me go get some 1/2 inch copper, and for the electricians out there, I'll go get some 3/8 threaded rod. Okay, let's put the WonderBlade to a test. Got some copper here. Okay, we got power. Wow. Wow. So, I want you to see this. Check out the blade. The blade still looks brand new. That's a very good sign. Okay, so when I used to use the Dremel blades, the first cut already 2-3 teeth were missing. The WonderBlade, not one tooth is missing. That's a very good sign. And another thing I noticed that you don't have to apply pressure. You just got to let the blade do the job for you. I'm used to, with the cheap blades, having to apply pressure for the blades to actually do anything to a copper line. So that was impressive. I like that. And for those of you right now that are wondering, why would you need an oscillating tool to cut a copper line when you could just use a pipe cutter or an end cutter? Well, in old style homes in the 30s, 40s, 50s, the way they did their showers were they would put chicken wire on the studs and cement and then put their tiles. And the copper line will be like right up against that chicken wire. And you can't get your pipe cutter around that or the end cutter. So the best way is to get an oscillating tool and you just cut right through that copper line. Okay, threaded rod. Let's make sure it's nice and tight. Second test. Nice. Well, there's our cut. Nice. Look at that. No teeth are missing. Usually I always pull out the grinder when I'm cutting these threaded rods, Yeah, definitely this blade looks like it's gonna last you quite some time. um I'm telling you, I have numerous blades that just within the first cut, second cut, already the blade was trash. It was garbage. Here I cut copper, I cut a threaded rod, and still it looks like all the teeth are still in this great condition. Let's say if you want to cut some baseboard and it's in an awkward position, so let's use this 4x4 and cut a notch out of it. Okay, I'm losing sunlight here. Cool. Yeah, so I'm impressed. Let's go inside and check out their website to learn a little bit more about WonderBlade. Blades that cut like wonders. WonderBlade offers one of the best oscillating two blades in the industry, made to last and help you save time and money on the job site or at your house. So it's been several days now, and I really was impressed with the oscillating blade that WonderBlade sent me. So I reached out to WonderBlade and I told them that they have an amazing product, and in doing so, I am officially now a member of the WonderBlade team. And as a member of the WonderBlade team, I'll leave a link in the description at the bottom, and my viewers can get 2 oscillating blades for the price of 1. And for whatever reason, if you're not happy or satisfied with the product, you can send it on back, and WonderBlade will send you back 100% back, your money guaranteed. Well, that's the end of my video. If you own an oscillating tool, then this is the blade for you. This blade's going to be a huge game changer in my workshop. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.